guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm super excited because today is a National Blowout Day. So definitely could not let this day go by without bringing you guys a blowout tutorial. It's definitely been a while since I've done one of these, so I figured what better way than to show you my updated blowout routine. This is a quick, I personally do this in 10 minutes with just like a few simple little tricks that I can show you. I know that you can achieve this as well in as little as 10 minutes. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. All right, so the key to a good blowout, of course, is how you treat and how you prep the hair. The correct protection and prep on the hair is necessary to obtain a good blowout. So I always like to start with Redken's One United. So it's great for preventing heat damage. It protects your color, adds shine, adds smoothness, and it's great at holding the shape of the blowout that you will create. And I love the scent of this. It's very unique to other Redken scents. It just smells really clean. I would describe it as like really clean laundry, not at all really perfumey. Just sprayed a little bit of that all over my hair. And if I'm gonna curl my hair after, I like to go in with Redken's Iron Shape, and this really helps lock in that shape. So think of it as like pre-hairspray. And lastly, Redken's Pillow Proof. It is an express primer. This is a time-saving blow-dry primer and a heat protectant in one. And the reason why it helps you blow out your hair faster is because the molecule that's actually in the product is actually heavier than water, so it replaces it with the water, so therefore drying your hair a lot faster. All right, so let's just get into the blowout. The first thing I like to do is do a rough dry all over. It's good to put your head kind of upside down if you want a little bit more volume. I also like to blow dry against where the hair is going to fall. Again, that just adds a ton more volume. And then once the hair is feeling pretty dry, then I go in with the brush and actually add volume and shine to my hair. So the top part of the hair is obviously the most important part of this blowout. I kind of just like to wrap my hair out of the way. You can definitely clip your hair. My hair definitely takes shape really quickly, so I'm just going to kind of wrap it out of the way, and we are going to start on this side. Just grabbing pretty medium sections and starting off by adding volume at the root, then adding a lot of smoothness through the shaft of the hair, and then just beveling the ends just a tad bit. Top sections, I'm going to be doing the same thing, just adding volume to the roots, adding shine throughout, and just a small bevel through the ends. The only thing I'm doing different to the top is that I'm going in horizontal sections, and this just adds a ton more volume without areas of separation. guys, so there you have it. A super easy 10-minute blowout. You can attain a really shiny and healthy looking blowout. Tons of volume, yet the hair still looks really natural. So yes guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Hope you found it helpful. Please stay tuned for future giveaways like this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. So if you're interested in entering, if you are interested in entering the video, do you want to come on into the video with me? I'm gonna be using the